No floor, no twisting, abs and core. We're doing this all from a seated position. It's super gentle, but it's still challenging. Join me. First exercise, we're bringing those elbows up and then knees almost joining those elbows. Now, I don't want you to reach too far. You don't need to do that. The important thing is to engage your core, tighten up those abdominal muscles, and think mind-muscle connection. We're thinking of our abdominal muscles, our obliques the whole time, and we want those muscles to do the work, all right? We're gonna do 10 on each side, rest for about 10 to 30 seconds, and then repeat 2 more times, or as many as you can. Next, this one is a little funny, it's called the penguin. So from a seated position, always, we're putting our hands to the side, and we're slowly going from left to right, kind of like a penguin that's walking and wobbling from side to side with their little cute wings. All right, so we're gonna make this a bit more intentional and go nice and slowly and slide. You don't have to put your hands like me, I'm just doing that because it's called the penguin. But we're going to reach our hands down and feel those obliques working, and we're gonna stop where it feels comfortable. If it hurts or you feel slightly uncomfortable, that's your limit. Definitely you don't want to feel any pain. Hurting is a no-no. And finally, the last one is a little challenging, but it's so effective. It's called the hollow hold. So we're gonna kind of scoot to the edge of our chair, straighten our legs or as much as we can. Now you're gonna feel your core wanting to tighten up because it needs to find a solid foundation for you to stay at the edge of your chair. Make sure that your chair is nice and solid and it doesn't tip over. A couch works well too. Now, to complete the move, we're gonna put our arms over our head and then hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds or as long as you can. And we're gonna breathe. Now this position, for you not to fall backwards, you really need to engage those muscles so that you're staying nice and straight and solid. If you feel your spine kind of wobbly or you're feeling that you're putting your spine in a compromising position, just stop, find your balance and do it again. Maybe you're too forward on the chair. Find a position that's comfortable for you and feel your core nice and tight and holding you up. Those are the 3 moves of the day. Hope you like them. Hope they're challenging enough, but gentle at the same time.